So this one's gonna be on Windows 10, and we're gonna learn how to set up a DNS server. I'm gonna go with one that I think is probably the fastest one. It's called Cloudflare, and it's very simple to set up on Windows 10. All you would do is go to your search bar or your menu and just look for network. Okay, under network, so let's go to under network and internet. We can go to change adapter options over here under related settings. Okay, then here we can go ahead and set it up. So this is going to be for the Wi-Fi since that's what I'm using. So I'm just going to go into the properties. And in here, now if you're using the Ethernet, it would be the same step. You just choose the Ethernet that you want to go ahead and use. Okay, so under the Internet settings 4, go ahead and click on properties. And here you want to go ahead and add the following DNS server. So it would be 1.1.1.1. Alternate DNS would be 1.0.0.1, but if you want a different one, you can actually add it as well. So, but this will be your preferred DNS server. Okay, then after that, one thing you might want to do is click on advanced and make sure under DNS that first of all you want to give it a DNS suffix name, so it would be Cloudflare. Make sure that it's showing up over here, and that's it. Then after that, go ahead and click OK. Okay, and everything should be done. Okay, so if you like the CMD like I do, we're gonna go ahead and do this using the command prompt. So just type in CMD, and all we do is type in netsh, and then press enter, and now you're in the netsh shell. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and type in the following. It's gonna be interface space IP space show space config. Press enter, and now it's gonna go ahead and show you all your interfaces and the details. As you see, I already have the DNS set up for all of them. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set up DNS. So to do that, we'll type in interface IP set DNS and then Wi-Fi, which is the actual name of the interface. So make sure you give the right name, even with the quotes in there. And then static, and then actual DNS server. So then press enter, and that's it. Now you have the setup from the command prompt. All right, so that's how you're able to set up your DNS on Windows 10 to be able to get faster internet speed and for best practice. So that's it for now. Bye.